It is necessary to avoid these defects in recitation.
ترعيد
Shaking the voice in the rhythm and movement.
مكروه حرام تنفيش
Not performing the movements completely.
مكروه تعجيل
Hastening in which the separate letters cannot be understood and in which the separate letters may appear.
حرام تطنين
That is, reciting with a muffled voice.
حرام تهميز
Adding a hamza with each letter.
حرام تطويل
Extending the movements and rhythms excessively.
مكروه همهمة
Abbreviating the shortened ones.
حرام زمزمة
Reciting in a singing manner is,
مكروه تحريمي
if it is outside the tajweed,
حرام ترقيص
then raise your voice if it is outside the limits of tajweed,
حرام عنعنة
then reciting the hamza mixed with the ain.
حرام ركز
Doing idgham at the wrong time.
حرام تمضيع
Chewing the letters.
مكروه تعويق
Pausing in the middle of the word and starting to recite from the next.
حرام وثبة
Leaving the first letter incomplete and starting the next letters.
حرام